Mexican casserole. This is a big favorite in my home. My husband loves it and requests it weekly. So I know if he likes it, it's Plant Chics approved.
Yay! And you guys, I've had it before. It's super, super delicious. And I'm hungry, so I can't wait to eat this.
And it cooks fast. So what you'll need to start this, of course, is an instant pot. This makes it easy for the casserole. You need corn tortillas. So the corn tortillas is the layers, the casserole. Pico, you can make your own pico. I actually got mine already pre-done at Whole Foods. We have some frozen sweet corn, a can of black beans. You can make your own beans in the Instapot if you wish. We have 3 spices: cumin, smoked paprika, salt, which I feel like you can never have enough in Southwest and Mexican recipes.
Yeah.
And then we have brine, jackfruit in the brine, and this in the green container because people always ask. And then we have Jackie's favorite, hatch enchilada mix.
Oh, and it's so, so good.
Let me drink some.
And 2 baked sweet potatoes. So we already baked those, got them all good and mushed, and we are ready to get this party started.
And smashed. Let's do this. So we have 2 baked sweet potatoes smashed. So what we're gonna do to create this is you're gonna have 2 fillings, okay? It sounds kind of crazy. The first filling is the 2 baked sweet potatoes smashed, and then we're gonna put a little enchilada sauce in there. I would just say maybe put half a can for right now. So as you can see, there's half a can in there. And then I'm just gonna stir it all very, very well. So this is going to be the inside of my Mexican casserole for filling part 1. So I just make sure it's mixed really, really well. And then inside of this filling, I'm also going to take jackfruit in the brine. Oh my gosh, these little suckers are hard to get out. And then what you're going to do is we're just going to like peel them, like
Shred it.
Shred it just like chicken. You have shredded jackfruit.
We washed our hands before the video, so we have clean hands.
We did. So we're just gonna make sure we have shredded jackfruit. We're gonna use the whole can in the potatoes. Okay, so now that the enchilada mix is already mixed up well, this is where we're gonna add our seasoning. So we're gonna add a little bit of Himalayan sea salt. Just not too much, just a little crack-a-lacka.
Little crack-a-lackas.
And then, yes, some smoked paprika. And you guys, I like a lot of paprika. If it's not orange, who am I? You know?
She does love the smoked paprika.
Oh my God, it's that
She'll
flavor.
probably put more.
I will probably put more. It smells so good. And then you can add
We
some
will
cumin.
Go to town with the cumin.
And you guys, I never measure anything. So if you want tablespoons, maybe put 1 tablespoon of each to see if you like it. And if you want more flavor, put 2 tablespoons.
I think you need way more cumin than that.
Oh, I usually use that side.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say
It's a
not
slow
coming out.
It's a slow one. There we go. Yeah, bring on the cumin.
This one just isn't even coming out.
Yeah. Come on, cumin.
Good?
Yeah, for now.
We'll try it.
A little more smoked paprika though.
Do a little couple taste tests of it too. We'll do a little test.
Yes, so you're gonna stir the spices really, really well. So just take a couple minutes to stir.
And you guys, it smells really good already. This smells delicious.
No, no. Okay, so this is mix 1. You'll set that to the side. Mix 2, what you're gonna do is, Jackie, you're gonna dump the whole thing of pico in here.
Voila.
And you're gonna,
Finally, I'm doing something.
I know. And then we're gonna do the whole thing of corn.
See, I had the easy part. I did set up though.
She did help set up. And then we're going to do the whole can of
Black beans.
And then same thing, I'm gonna use my fork for this. And we're just gonna stir this up. So this is going to be our, oops, ma'am. This is gonna
That's
be
a
our,
regular happening here.
yes, we're always, food's flying in the kitchen. Okay, so this is going to be our other base. And as you can see, it's very simple. It is a black bean, quinoa, corn, and pico mix. So this is the second part of our filling. You're gonna take the hatch enchilada sauce and put the rest of it in the Instapot, just like that. And then we're gonna take one of those tortillas and we're gonna put it for the bottom. So that way it doesn't stick. So we're gonna start putting the filling, the sweet potato jackfruit filling, and just coat the entire bottom of that tortilla, or I could say top of tortilla, and make sure that you have that mix everywhere and it's spread thoroughly. So it's gonna take you about 4 or 5 big tablespoons of this, but totally worth it. It tastes so good. Then you're gonna top it off with our black bean corn Pico mix. And same thing, you're just gonna take 3 to 4 big heaping tablespoons and put it on top, and make sure that you kind of flatten it out a little bit and it's spread apart. It's okay if some of the stuff rolls to the side. That's why you have the enchilada mix. Then we are going to take another tortilla, and then you're gonna put it on the top, just like that. And then we're gonna repeat this over again until you get to the desired amount of enchilada casserole that you want. You're gonna plug it in and you're gonna put the top on, and put my favorite setting. I push rice and then start, and you're gonna let it do its thing and let it cook for about maybe 20 minutes. Then when it's done, you're gonna open it up and look at that yummy goodness. Oh, it smells so delicious. I wish you guys could smell this. So good. And you're gonna take this and cut it up and put it into plates. Very easy to do. I usually cut it into 4, and it makes 4 nice big servings. You're gonna take a spatula and cut it. You're probably gonna need 2 spatulas, not your finger, because it's gonna be hot. I tried to do that, trust me. And then you're gonna put it on your plate, and then we're gonna dress it up. Look at that, hot, steamy, delicious. So I like to add avocado to it for that nice healthy fats, a little bit of salsa, and then some pico. And there you have it. Those are my top 3 servings. You could add some cilantro on top as well, and anything else that you could think of that you would think that would make this Mexican casserole taste delicious to you. But it's very simple to make. You can eat leftovers for days, and there you have it, Mexican casserole. For more recipes like this, you can get our Plant Chics ebook at plantchics.com.